folks, how you doing today? So I am always trying to find these really cool jukebox speakers. These are actually speakers that are made to hang on the wall. Originally, the Wurlitzer Jukebox Company made these in the 40s to be remote speakers for like 1015s and 1940s jukebox. So if you had a great big hall that you had a jukebox in and it just wasn't quite loud enough, these would be remote speakers. They would hang these down at the other end of the hall, and you'd put you could add one or two of these to a jukebox. So these were very popular back in the day. Obviously, they're gorgeous. So in the 1980s, there were 3 companies who actually made these or reproduced these speakers. And these were made by the Antique Jukebox Company in the 80s out of Los Angeles, California. This is a beautiful set in very nice condition. The set that I have up there, which we keep here because they're so beautiful, actually have a plastic mirrored portion, so it was chrome mirror. These are actually all mirrored inside. As you see, they got your speaker hookups here, so you just hook them up to your stereo or to any amplifier. These are all plastic. This is all chrome. It's got the right grill cloth on them. These are 32 inches round. So if you're thinking about getting these, they just simply won't fit in an 8-foot ceiling. They're 32 inches. You're going to be down to 5 feet. You need to have a 9 or 10-foot ceiling or greater to hang these to make them look appropriate on the wall. Very nice condition. I've had several people request these lately. I can't recall exactly who they are, but here they are, so if you want them. And I'm always trying to find them, but hard to get. Here's a beautiful matching set. You see we use them. It's one of the highlights of our showroom, so if you get these, you're gonna absolutely love them. Run your music through them, run your stereo through them. We run our television and stereo through them. Great set of speakers. They're just absolutely wall jewelry. So if you want them, we'll get them packed up, shipped out. Mr. Walker will take care of all that. They're ready to go, so if you'd like them, you will never be disappointed in these, and thank you so much for your time.
I call these the ELO speakers, and for those of you out there, baby boomers, you know what I'm talking about. What do you think about putting these on some kind of stand if somebody did have low ceilings?
They could, but they still got to go up to the ceiling. So even if you put them on a stand, they're 32 inches. You know, 8-foot ceiling, now they're down to 5 foot.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.